All right, it's Tuesday morning, December 29th, and I just got out of my Apple trade. And you can see here that I played Apple off the close yesterday when it was pretty close to its new all time highs, and I got out this pre market pretty much right at the resistance or high. So, just a little close up here. You can see that pretty much I was able to get in at 136.68 at the close yesterday, and my exit was roughly 137.3 or so, covering roughly 0.85% on my trade, which in cash roughly amounted to $1,600. So pretty good. And yeah, I got out at 137.83, like I said, with 1,450 shares. So pretty good trade overall. I could have held a little longer, covered another $500, but considering that I had most of my profit this morning, I'm happy to just take it. So back to the daily here of Apple, and you can see that it's pretty close to its all-time highs, which made me consider it for a swing trade. But also, if you look closer up here on Apple, you can see that lately off of these green days where the close has been higher than the open, it's been gapping up a good amount. I mean, yesterday it gapped up 1.4%. The last time it was green, it gapped up about, a quarter of a percent, not too bad. But then the next day after that, it was green, right? It gapped up 2.5%. I traded that day, I remember. So, I mean, you can tell that off of these green days, it's been gapping up pretty high. And then the last time it really failed off a green day, it only opened down about a quarter of a percent, 0.5% down. So it really wasn't that much of a risky trade to take here. That's why I was happy to swing trade at full volume. And I mean, you can see it paid pretty well. And just looking back to my swing trading watch list here, you can see that most of the stocks that I was looking at yesterday were pretty bullish. So I felt really good about the market. That's why I felt good to go heavy. And especially this communication services and infotech sector was doing pretty well. So Apple was leading the bullish movement yesterday. So I was happy to keep riding that momentum. And I mean, you can look at here at my other stocks I have on my swing trading watch list, and you can tell that I'm not trading anything riskier, anything low volume. These are very high market cap stocks, very high volume, and really safe to trade. So I'm happy to swing trade these stocks where I know my risk isn't too high. But when I'm right, I get plenty of profit, like you can see this morning. So if you like these trades and you want to learn more, subscribe below and I'll keep posting.